you. Hey, yeah, you. Yeah, you. Hey. Hello there. My name is Adventurous Dan. And today, we are bloody exploring the forest, mate. Because the forest, mate, is a beautiful place to look at. I mean, look at this place. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah. Alright, anyway. But the woods bring a valuable thing to the whole world. And it's about to pop up right now, actually. Water! I sure do bloody love... You know, it is 100 degrees out here. Or close, but look at the water. I need help. I need a base. I need to look for... Wait a minute. Oh, I thought I messed up my camera. Okay. But anyway, we gotta look for my base that I have hidden out here. Alright, while we are walking about, let's talk about our sponsor. Bloody Eddie. It is our bloody good old thinking juice extra. You have minimal sizes, minimal colors, everything. But it helps you think because of this bottom piece. And it helps me think on my adventures. Alright, go back to the video. Looks like someone actually followed the survival expert. Hold on, it's so hot. Bloody helly. But the stuff, the wood, that's rope. You need that for survival in the woods. You never know when you need it. You never bloody know. You know, it's not even gonna take me that long. We finally made it home. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we bloody made it. Wow. This is the base. Yeah, sketchy. I know. And it's making all this heat. It's not gonna fall. It ain't gonna fall. Nah. We're gonna be fine. I've lived in this thing for over 30 years. I'm 35. Think about that for a moment. So, this place has been my home, and this is my mirror that I look at. Yes, bloody. Let's continue. We made it out of the crib. Oh, bloody almighty. Alrighty. Ooh. Pause the video for a moment. Cut to my commercial. What the fuck? It's been the fucking door! Oh no, it's Ben! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no, it's Ben! Oh no! Okay, just go on without me! No! My thinking cup! It fell! No! I gotta look at my leg. Ugh. I just need a Band-Aid. I have a Band-Aid. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh crap, where's my... Oh, dang. I still got it. I still got it. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Yeah, get that. Oh crap. Uh, 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 where is it? Where is it? Okay, we got this, son. Okay. I can't stop. I can't. Oh God. It can't stop. Oh, it can't stop. I can't stop. No, this can't stop. It, oh, yes. I'm gonna be saved. Oh, oh. Okay. We bloody did it, mateys. We got my bandage good. Take that, whoever said that I couldn't do anything in life. I'm talking about you, Edward. Well, I think I'm gonna call it for the day. Well, I think you should go subscribe. Okay, now I need to call help. Help!